Right, afternoon. Old bag Friday. I'm getting fucking knife down. Right, we got some big box stuff. Some came yesterday, some small stuff. That I opened the other day, so that's not included. That is will go up on the wall later. We've got a AlieXpress box, the Temu, which that is going to open last. Looks like it's been dropped because there's a box hole in there. The was pulled open. See if there's any other damage. This is the most expensive one, so I'm moving it to last. So yeah, let's get into the boxing. This bag's been opened. Right, what's in here is some screwdriver bits by the looks of things. Come it down so you can see what's going on. Yeah, these kind of like screwdriver, whatever you want to call them. You know, you order things and they show it that they're in. This is what I hate about Temu, yeah. The thing I hate about Temu, they show you things that are in like little cases and stuff, yeah. But when you order it, they don't come in a case or even in like a plastic box or something like that. They come like that, which is rather fucking annoying. Kind of pissed me off actually. But that's what you get with Temu, I suppose. You have to find a way of storing them. Right, this one was also opened, and this is these kind of screw bits. You get 10 or 12, I think. So another place I've got to find for these later. I'll tell you, I've just been sorting the room out practically half the day yesterday and part of the day today. And I thought, like, the way I had it yesterday, I could open the door a lot more. But because I've changed it around and I put plastic containers over there, I can't open the door quarter way again like I used to. Because yesterday, I could only open the door quarter way. Then when I'd done some sorting out, I could open it like nearly 3/4 of the way. Because I'd done some sorting out, because what I'd done, that saw that was over there, excuse all the clothes over there, the saw what was over there on that table is now there. And the thing is, where those boxes are over there, them black boxes, they were beside here. And I've moved the what they called tray station thing or whatever it is, over, so the saw is more closer to me. So those black boxes were more closer to me than the saw was. So I've done some reorganising again, and now I can't even open the fucking door properly. So I've got, what I'm going to do is, the thing is, I need some more room because this bad boy that we're going to be showing later. I'm not going to actually erect it today, I don't think, because I've got to find a place to put it first. Once I find a place to put it, then I'll do a video on testing it probably. Maybe. But I will get it out of the box and show you it. Then I'll put it back in the box. Make it more hard. Oh, these are, I bet these are the wrong size as well. Are they? No, they are the right size. So I ordered 2 of these because this one is damaged now. So I've got to take that apart and put one of these in. You get 2. I'm not going to give you the prices because I can't remember. and I can't be asked to like keep opening up my pages. Actually, I think I might have Amazon open, so I can quickly give you an idea how much they were. I have got another order coming today. It is electrical, but it's only like a little vacuum cleaner, handheld vacuum cleaner, and I won't be doing the video on that, I don't think. So these buffing pads were £7.99 just for two. Just for two of them, and that was the cheapest I could find on Amazon. I could get it on cheaper on AlieXpress or Temu, but I wanted to try and get at least one of my bench grinders up and running. The only thing is, with both bench grinders, I can't find the face shields. So these are going to be removed, and I'm not going to worry about the face shield because I'm going to be wearing glasses, safety glasses, which I have got a pair here somewhere. So I saw them yesterday, but I have actually ordered another pair of safety glasses as well. Right, before we do any more Amazon stuff, we'll dive into this bag. And down comes the camera again. Not sure what's in what. Let's put these back in there for now. Yeah, £8 for two. That's fucking a bit expensive, really, to be honest with you, but I do need them. I try to shop for the cheapest stuff, you know. The bag inside the bag. Oh, I wasn't really thinking. Two bags inside the bag. Right, I can't remember what's in these. I'm not going to go through the pricing on them. There's two items in here. Right, in this bag, you've got this like little ruler thing, which I thought might be handy. I have seen people use them, but I can't remember what they're used for. So there's that. This, I think, is a little toolkit thing. How do you open the damn thing? There we go. I don't know why I bought this. So I have like a little screwdriver set, but I thought it might be handy when I go bushcrafting if I need it for some reason. The only thing is the drawer is a bit more temperamental putting back on. So I'll put that back in there for now. Right, now for the bigger bag. Lots of stuff in here. What the hell is that? What the fuck is this? No, I've definitely got to go onto Temu. No, AlieXpress, I mean. Oh, reusable double-sided adhesive. These are like tape. Smaller than I expected though. So the thing with Temu, or well AlieXpress, they seem to make the pictures bigger and the product smaller, which I think is like wrong. Right, got some more battery connectors. Those what's the names were £2.60. The reusable double-sided SC diff tape. The pitch guard, that ruler thing, was £1. That was £2.40. These I'm gonna find them. These ain't even the ones I ordered. I didn't order these ones. I ordered 9-volt. So why are these in there? I can't see nothing in the listing. Right, these are correct switches. Different types of switches. The switches were £1 each, and you get 10 pieces in each pack. What are these? Oh, these are like little other mini switches. I think they were £1 as well, actually. Yeah, 10 pieces for £1. Diodes. I don't know what I'm going to use diodes for, but they were cheap anyway, so I bought them. You know what? I can't even find one here. No, I ordered them. £200 diode kit, but I can't find it on my order listing. So the shop might have gone into bankruptcy or something. I don't know. Next is 5 different colours. They're 10mm LED lights. Well, I'm not seeing them on my listing. I'm not seeing them on my listing. But that's 10 different colour LED 10mm. 5 different colours.
I'm not quite sure how to help you with that.
I'll be quiet, you. Right, there's the 9mm, the 9-volt. So they did turn up. They were, I think 3 for 189. No, 3 for £1.30. There should be 3 sets of those in there. Yes, there is. Nearly finish with the Temu bag. And I've got an empty bag. Right, some Pedio buzzers, which I'm always using for different projects. These were £10 for £1. No, £10 for £1.20. Them ones were. I've got an LDC display, which I'm not going to open, which was DC 4.5 to 30 volt waterproof digital voltmeter. That was £1. There's the other ones, which were £1.20. These are, I think, what voltage are these? So these are 3 volt and these are 5 volt. I have got these, but I'm always using them, so I thought I'd buy more, you know, just to have them in stock. Right, these are some weird drill bits. I don't know what they're for. But I bought them because they were cheap. You know me, I buy them when they're cheap. But again, it's not showing up on my listing. Oh, you see, it is. 1/4 5-piece drill bit, set cutting tools, a woodworking knife. So these are this kind of thing. So it's mainly for woodworking. I used to do a little bit of woodworking in the past. I was thinking about doing a bit more woodworking later while I'm doing my electronics. So I want to put some of my electronics into some wooden boxes, which I hope to try and build myself at some stage. And for the last item, these are those little clamp things. I have actually got 2, but I'm always losing things like this. These are like little clamps that you connect your wires to. So you put like 2 wires, and you know it's easier to solder. So I bought, can't have this hard on your fingers, but I bought 3 of those, and they were £2.20 for 3. So that's 5 of these I've got now. My table's getting a bit full up. Can't even put the drink anywhere properly. And already my table's full with shit. Well, I've got to find somewhere to put it. I say that shit because I think, I'll be honest with you. Anyway, let's put the camera back on. I think really a lot of this Temu stuff is shit, you know. I've been watching a lot of people on YouTube buying stuff, and you know the quality of some of this stuff is okay, but a lot of it is shit. Like I was watching a guy who bought this ruler thing, and it come kind of like rather bent, and I mean rather bent. So he had about 10 items, and about half of them were all kind of like 40. So he said he's going to return them. Which I wouldn't blame him for. Right. Amazon box. Always be careful with this. Fucking hell. That's the wrong box. Right, I think I know what this is. It's a shelving unit kind of thing. No, it is. Here's me wooden shelving. So I need to put some more shelves up. But I've got to be careful, so I'm kind of like running low on storage space, wall space. How many things should I have had today? One item I ordered, which is like wall bracket things, should have turned up yesterday, but it didn't. So I was hoping they'd turn up today, but it didn't. Now it's saying it's going to turn up tomorrow. There's short minute. Right, so I'm always using too many sockets. I need to buy another fucking socket, power cable. So that's that. Now this one is heavy. I'm not going to open it up, but if I can, I'll try to show you a picture of it on the TV screen. And what that is, it is this organizer, which cost me £22. So there are various ways, well, I think it's just one way you can actually put it together, which I'm not looking forward to doing because I hate putting things together. I've even got like a storage thing for me microwave and my cooker hob to place above one each other, and the thing's been sitting on the floor waiting to be built for about 3 months. I've just not done it. I do want to build that though, because in that way I can put more stuff on the wall and not worry about it, because like a lot of stuff is just like laying around doing nothing at the moment. And the last thing I will show you on screen, because I don't really want to take it out of the box just yet, but Temu, that's items I've got listed that I might get, I don't know yet. Orders. Now I bought a table saw, this one here. Can you see that? So we're trying to get the camera sorted out. £53, 36p. Honesty Holding Limited, and it's got a 4.7 star. Now originally these on Amazon are quite expensive. I think they're around about £78. I did put one in my listing so I can fall back on it. I might have actually moved it. But even a normal table saw with like a little sander on the side is like £50. No, you got similar ones, but they're actual don't have the sand on them. What was that called? Mini table position. So I'm gonna find it on Amazon again. But I know on AlieXpress it was around about £65, I think. And on Prime, I'm pretty sure it's like £78, because the basic one is like 65 to £68. But yeah, I thought I'd get one because I want to do some woodworking eventually later, as I say. It is a bit more heavier than I expected. But yeah, £78 I think this was on Amazon. But when I looked on Temu, I found it on Temu a little bit cheaper. So I thought, you know what, I want to get one. So I'm going to order one. The only thing is, I've got to put the thing together. I've got to take this off and put a blade in it later. I say it is pretty heavy for a small saw. I don't like the way they shoved that in there like that. No, it's damaged the actual power cable. I was looking for one of these yesterday, actually. I have actually got one of these, but the damn thing is, it doesn't function. So, I'm not sure where this goes. Right, it comes with 20 sanders, a really small, shitty, what's the name? Oh, so that goes over here. But that don't make sense because like those can't cover up the that's going to cover that up, isn't it? I think it goes that way round actually. It's like a guard, I suppose. So you get I don't know, one blade or two blades. One's cutting blade. I've actually ordered some more cutting blades for Temu. You get your little screwdriver, Allen key, and the face guard protector. I don't need any more of these. I've got loads of these. I've got loads and loads of these. I've got a small hand sander, or I did have, unless my sister took it. This is for the other sander bit, which goes there, right there. You've got another option to put the buffing thing on there. It comes with this. So you can either put that on there. You screw that on there. Big and everything today. You put that on there like that. The only thing it doesn't come with is like a little spanner. You have like a little Allen key, which you must not lose, because if you lose it, you're screwed. So that goes on there, and then you just like pop it up. Right, so hold on, it might be another delivery. Let me just go and check. Ouch. Oh. Right, well there is a delivery, but not for me, it's Iceland, and I don't order from Iceland. Yeah, so the belts, you press something like that. I know you can't see it. I don't. See, I nearly lost that then. That's important. Something. I think something else just fell out. Yeah, so what you do, you press that up to allow you to put your sand belt on, which is going to be fun to do. I'll try and get it set up now. Well, I won't be using it now because I've got to find somewhere to put the damn thing. Fucking hell, that is hard to do. There we go, it started to get in my... There we go, it's on now. Right, so that's that bit done. Allen key. A couple of different Allen keys in here. Well, I've got the face plate, which we'll do in a minute. Where's the instruction? I don't normally use instructions, but today I think I'd better do it. Where's my glasses? Let's take that off. Saw blade insulation position. Loosen the back screw with the help of the Allen key. Find the back screw. this guy now. I ain't going with pop screwdriver. I think I've got to take the top off here, but I ain't going to need the right screwdriver. I'm losing fucking things. Oh shit. I've got to take the belt off, I think. I might have to take the belt off. Nothing good for that. Not much in it. That's all that's in it. 2 motors. No circuit board at all. Right, Allen key. Saw blade. Don't really matter what way it goes round. Does it matter what way it goes round? Don't tell you what way the blade goes. Hang on. So what did I do with the so that goes that way. Right, so that's right. I've actually got it the right way round, I think. If not, I'm going to have to take it apart again later. So fiddly's trying to get it on though. Allen key. Now, I would advise people, if they're going to get one of these, be careful putting it together, because once you've taken that out of the casing, I might try to salvage some of this and just like stick it on there. And there, which you can't do. Well, someone actually manufactured the idea of like protecting that from your fingers. No, I did have one of these before, and it was bigger. And the blade that came with it, though, was a blade for stone cutting. And that used to be in my kitchen. And when I was in hospital a few years ago with a back infection, I asked my sister, Denise, and my daughter, Jessica, to come and sort some stuff out, get rid of it. Now, I had a big bandsaw that's disappeared. So I reckon my sister, Denise, took that. And I had a table saw bigger than this, which I think my sister took. Because I've looked everywhere for them and I can't find them. Can't find them anywhere. Right, so next. Now, did this go that way? Because what goes on there then? Where does the faceplate go? I think the faceplate might go on there. Yes, it does. So the faceplate, wherever that's gone. No, I can't do that way. I don't know. I don't know. I think that goes up there like that. Right, sorry. If you've got it up there, I think that goes like that. And then you've got these two. That goes on here. I don't like the way that it's actually covering up the measuring. Actually, I think I've done that the wrong way around. I think that goes like that, because then if you want to loosen it, you loosen them up. Yeah, go this way around. So I'll undo that one. You can actually just unscrew it a little bit. Once you've got it where you want it to, you just screw it back up tighter. Right, so I don't know what that little nut was for. Well, I still got it anyway, luckily. Oh, I think that's for the chuck. What I'll do with the chuck. Here, Chucky, Chucky, what are you, Mr. Chuck? Oh, I've done with the chuck. I've lost the chuck. I have lost the chuck. Where's the fucking chuck gone? Oh, it's on here. Fucking idiot. Right, so that goes here. God, that is so small. If I drop this, I'm fucked. If I drop this, I'm screwed, guys. Because I've got dark floor, and I don't think I'd ever find this. I can't even get it in the hole. It keeps popping off the damn thing. Can't get it in the hole. Fucking thing needs filling the machine then. The Allen key nearly filling. I can't get the fucking Allen key off. Right. So that's that done. Now you got these. I don't know what these are for. But let me just put all this stuff away. Oh, there's a spare chuck thing in there. A spare chuck nut thing. I'll put that in there. And then I'll put this one as well. Just in case I get a hole in the bag. Right, so move all that stuff out of the way. why they gave me that screwdriver. That's no good. Right, we're not going to cut anything. I just want to turn it on and see if it actually turns on. So otherwise this will be a £53 pile of junk. Alright, so the power supply is at the front here. Plug that in there. Right, that's on speed 2. That's the sander. That just came flying off. Why is it suddenly gone off? Oh shit, I got that. You know what? I think that would have been more of an ideal to put on this side. To be honest with you. See, this ain't really straight. You got to count down 3 tabs. So this came flying off. And it's not even set in properly. Maybe I didn't tighten it up with the key. Let's try that again. So you can actually have both. Running at the same time. I do like it where it's kind of quiet there. You know, the actual drill is more quiet than the actual sander. If the sander was, no, if that was more quiet, I'll be happy with that. If it is like the same kind of sound than the actual saw. Now, I'm only on one on that. Now, if I turn it on now, that's how fast it goes. And that is not settling. That is coming off. See that moving? I'll turn that off. I'm going to enjoy playing around with this, but I don't like the way that this is sliding around. No, it's not sitting in. It's just not sitting in, guys. Look, so it just ain't worth having that in there, really, is it? You know, unless you can find one which is more sturdy, or you can actually like make one of these, which is a little bit more kind of like thicker on the sides. Or you might be able to put like some tape in it. So I don't think even this would work. That's the only downside. This just moves constantly. It's not staying down. Unless this was meant to be used for it. I think it's so fucking awkward to get into these little holes. But I don't even think that this is used for it, to be honest with you. Can't even get it in the hole. I don't think that's even for this. It's not even sitting inside of the hole. Don't even go in the hole. So I don't think it's for that. No. Don't think go in it. So that is a bit pointless having that. It's going to keep moving all the time. No, it's just looking ridiculous. So I thought that would have gone in there. And I've just gone and dropped it. I nearly lost it because my fucking floor is so dark. Got like a dark grey kind of carpet, which is wearing away rather rapidly. And it's hard to find black screws half the time. Yeah, I'm happy with the machine, but I'm not happy with this. So maybe putting some, let's try a little bit of tape, a bit of masking tape. See how that cures it. Thing is, you don't want to buy something which ain't working properly, do you? No, it doesn't move around too much when you're on a low speed. But if you want to get something done quicker, then you need to turn that saw up a bit faster. Let's see if that works. Might need to double it over. Never do that. Put your fingers near there. I wish they had like one of those guards. you know, which folds over and pops back up when you're using it. Yeah, I'm not going to do any wood cutting because I'm waiting for my vacuum cleaner to turn up first. When that turns up, then I might give it a little mess around, but I've got to find a place to put the damn thing first anyway. But yeah, and I've also got to put that new power cable from there over to there so I can get some power into it. Although the cable is long enough anyway, but I still need it for me bandsaw. And later today I need to put some more shelving up, and the tool thing needs to be erected. Don't know where that's come from. But all in all, you know, on eBay, I think that's about £78. Same with Amazon, about 78. AlieXpress was about 68, but on Temu, you can get them cheaper. For I paid $53.99, I think, for this on AlieXpress. Not AlieXpress, Temu. $53.36. And I think I got a discount on that for buying it. Add to cart, add for £15 coupon. Now, I didn't realise if I bought it now at £43 after £10 off. So I paid more. I paid more for the fucking thing. I know I paid £53 for it. But it's still cheaper than it was on Amazon and on eBay and on AlieXpress. So there we go. Let's unplug that. Now I've just got to take all the rubbish downstairs and find a home for this. And start putting up the shelving again. Yeah. So thanks for watching. Don't forget, give us a like, share, subscribe. I know I've got more stuff coming from AlieXpress. That might be here tomorrow. I don't know. Temu, I think I've got some more stuff coming from there. Yeah, I've got like a mini angle grinder coming, which was £18.38. That should hopefully be here tomorrow. Just checking on the order now. Expected to deliver on Saturday, the 6th June, between 10:50 and 1:50. So I've got an angle grinder coming tomorrow. On Amazon, I have got some wall brackets turning up tomorrow. I have got a vacuum cleaner coming today from Amazon, but I'm not going to worry about doing a video on that, I don't think. I might do, I don't know yet. AlieXpress. I do have an order, but it's not even arrived at the destination airport yet. So that'll be here next week. And I've ordered several items on AlieXpress again, such as like saw blades for this, if they're going to be fucking good enough for it. And they might even be for the other saw, which I've ordered. I've got some more like angle grinder connecting rod kind of thing. Cane glass disc, milk circular saw blades, wall polishing wheels for angle grinder, more blades for mini circular saw, one of these power adapters, but it's got the wrong, it's got like a EU cable. I don't know if that's going to be any good actually, but we'll try it. It was only, well, it's £5.90. I can always return it. I can probably return me 41 if it works. Then I've got some diamond cutting pieces, 3 of those for the for the saw machine. And then I've got some like metal polishing compound stuff, which I might need at some stage. I don't know, but most of it's going to be blades. I've got wall grinder vacuum bag that's been ordered. The other thing is, it's a shame that it hasn't got some kind of like dust collector on here as well, because it's definitely going to be chucking out a lot of dust in it. Still, we'll see how it goes. Got a 90-day warranty on it to return it, I think. Right, so that's it for now. If I'm going to have to score it, I'm going to say, like, because I had to put some tape on there, which still isn't all that good. 8 out of 10. And I'll give it that because the price is good on it, you know, £53. I only had to pay £53. I could have probably got it cheaper on Temu. I might even order another one actually and sell it for like 60 quid. I'm not too happy about this. I haven't put tape on it. They should have a guard for this and a guard for that, you know, because you can move that over and still use it. This was a little bit weird because well, it wasn't weird, it's just I didn't put the tighten up the chuck. Yeah, the only downer is this. I don't like that much, to be honest with you. I'd like it if you had a proper safeguard on there, you know, like with the circular saw, where it's got like that expanded, like rebound kind of thing. Like when you finish using it, even if it's only like still turned on, it'll like cover the blade up, and when you go to use it again, it pops up when you start sawing. That's the only thing I would like to see on these, but you know, the price is pretty good. You know, £78 on Amazon, and I got it for 53 on Temu, and it came within a couple of days, which was pretty good. It's not like, you know, Amazon Prime kind of thing, you know, buy it at £78 and it's here the next day, because sometimes it ain't in the next day. It's like with my wall hanger things. I ordered them, when was it? Wednesday. They're supposed to have been here yesterday. They didn't turn up. So I was hoping they were going to be here today, but nope, not turning up today. They're going to be here tomorrow. So it's a 2-day delay. But yeah, the only other thing I've got today coming is the vacuum cleaner, which I'll may or may not show on a video later. I don't know. It depends on how I feel, because I've got plenty of work to do. I've got to put a shelf, 2 lots of shelving up, maybe more. Then I've also got to find a place for those cartons, those black bins over there, because I can't open the door properly on them. Because I do need to find somewhere to put this saw. I can move the band saw, circular saw over a little bit, but not too much. But yeah, it's going to be a little bit of time and effort and concentration and moving stuff around again. So right, cheers for watching, and if I'm not on again later today, it might be tomorrow. So cheers, bye for now. Don't forget, give us a like, share, subscribe if you've not already done so. Helps me to bring more videos out and give you more content. And give us a thumbs up and leave a comment if you wish to, but no negative ones because I will be banned. Will be moved and you'll be banned. Cheers for now. Bye bye.